Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hi everyone, I am Prihan and this is Top 10 Tourist Attractions in Egypt. Let's get started. Abu Simbel. Abu Simbel. Abu Simbel. Abu Simbel. For example, you can say, رحت أبو سمبل قبل كده? رحت أبو سمبل قبل كده? Which means, have you been to Abu Simbel before? Abu Simbel is such a huge temple, and actually, fun fact, Abu Simbel temple was actually going to drown when Egypt decided to build the Aswan Dam in the 80s. In order to prevent such thing, Egypt had to remove the whole temple from its place to another place. So if you ever go to Abu Simbel again, it's actually not its original place. It has been relocated. أهرامات Giza. Giza Pyramids. أهرامات Giza. Giza Pyramids. For example, you can say, أنا اتصورت جنب أهرامات Giza. أنا اتصورت جنب أهرامات Giza. I took a picture next to the pyramids of Giza. And I have never taken a picture next to the pyramids of Giza because I've never been there. Actually, I live like half an hour away from it. I can see it from everywhere, so I've never felt the need to go and like see it from up close, but I will one day. Like, I have to. المتحف المصري. Egyptian Museum. The next one is, like, I've spent lots of time there. المتحف المصري. The Egyptian Museum. المتحف المصري في ميدان التحرير. المتحف المصري في ميدان التحرير. The Egyptian Museum is located in Tahrir Square. جامع محمد علي. محمد علي Mosque. جامع محمد علي. Muhammad Ali's Mosque. And it's one of the most beautiful mosques in the whole world. جامع محمد علي في قلعة صلاح الدين. جامع محمد علي في قلعة صلاح الدين. Muhammad Ali's Mosque is located in Salah ad-Din's citadel. In front of it, there is a huge park called Al-Azhar Park. It's also built on the Islamic theme, and from the park you can see both the citadel and the mosque, and it's like utterly beautiful, especially at night. سوق خان الخليلي. خان الخليلي Market. خان الخليلي. I bought this from خان الخليلي. This. سوق خان الخليلي. خان الخليلي Market. For example, you can say هشتري هدايا تذكارية من سوق خان الخليلي. هشتري هدايا تذكارية من سوق خان الخليلي. I'll buy souvenirs from خان الخليلي Market. And in خان الخليلي, you can buy oriental souvenirs as well as statues and t-shirts and so on. Or you can buy like really beautiful, what do you call, like jewelry. You can really buy beautiful jewelry for a very, it's not so expensive. معبد الأقصر. الأقصر Temple. معبد الأقصر. الأقصر Temple. For example, لما كنت في الأقصر زرت معبد الأقصر. لما كنت في الأقصر زرت معبد الأقصر. When I was in الأقصر, I visited the الأقصر Temple. I've never been there, but they say it's beautiful. معبد الكرنك. كرنك Temple. معبد الكرنك. كرنك Temple. For example, النهاردة هنروح معبد الكرنك. النهاردة هنروح معبد الكرنك. Today we will visit the Karnak Temple. مكتبة الإسكندرية. Bibliotheca Alexandria. مكتبة الإسكندرية. Bibliotheca Alexandria. For example, you can say مكتبة الإسكندرية رائعة. مكتبة الإسكندرية رائعة. Bibliotheca Alexandria is amazing. واحد سيوة. سيوة Oasis. واحد سيوة. سيوة Oasis. For example, واحد سيوة فيها أنقى مياه جوفية. واحد سيوة فيها أنقى مياه جوفية. سيوة Oasis has the purest underground water. الغردقة. هرغادا. Oh, I've been there. الغردقة. الغردقة. هرغادا. الغردقة جواها حلو قوي في الشتاء. الغردقة جواها حلو قوي في الشتاء. Hurghada's weather is amazing in the winter. Like, it's really warm. Like, in February or something, you can still go swimming and, like, it's really good. At the end, I hope you liked today's video. Why don't you tell us in the comments below about the place you would want to go to the most in Egypt. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website, arabicpod101.com. Bye bye!